Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing the recipe of Goan Patolios. In a bowl add 2 cups of Goan red rice. Wash and soak it overnight. In the morning throw the water out and wash again. In a mixer jar add the rice, add salt, add water and grind into a thick paste. Chop 6 pieces of jaggery. Add jaggery to the coconut. Mix. Add salt, cardamom powder. Mix. Put it in a pan on low flame and mix so that the jaggery melts. Let it cool. Wash and wipe turmeric leaves. Trim the top and bottom of the leaf. Spread the rice paste evenly in the center of the leaf. Place the coconut and jaggery mixture on the center of the applied rice paste. Fold the leaf and press the edges to seal. Steam for 30 minutes. Patolyos are now ready. Remove the turmeric leaf before eating. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.